This is X snapshot off of NASIOC.com, North American Subaru Impreza Owners Club. This is here is the 19T upgrade that PT Turbo sells. It just failed on me, running 20 PSI tapering to 17 PSI. Here's the issue. I'm going to see if I can get in here so you can see this. The compressor wheels have made contact with the compressor housing, and there's huge shaft play in the axial, or I guess I should say the lateral direction this way. It's a bit hard to get a video of this. You can see how the huge amount of play it has. It's scratched up the sides. It's pretty bad. Here's the exhaust side. Hold on just a second.